Hi everyone, I'm glad to have you here in my channel today. In my channel, you will enjoy seeing me making beautiful and different DIY for home decoration. I made my channel as a way for me to share my hobby and creativity with as many people who will appreciate it, so I can inspire you to make your own DIY and decorate your space. This video is a part of What Month Is It? I am so excited to participate in this open collaboration with these beautiful ladies. This collaboration is hosted by Tami of Happiness Created. For this month of March, she has two co-hosts, Cee J from Cee J DIY and Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. Also, the special guest host is Brandi from the DIY Struggle. You can check out all their channels, link below in my description box. Don't forget to check out the playlist link. All these ladies are very creative. I believe they will inspire a lot of people because they came out with pretty and gorgeous DIYs. The challenge for this collaboration is to create projects that represent the month we are in, like birthstone colors, flowers, birds, and so on. So stay tuned to the end and let's go ahead and get on into crafting. For the first project, I have been using this Valentine box that I got from Dollar Tree. And one rule from this challenge is to choose or to use birthstone colors for this month. For March, we have this light blue. So I'm gonna use this light blue scrapbook papers, as you see on the screen, and this sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cover it with this scrapbook papers. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna start with this blue sky color. I'm gonna cover this scrapbook paper on this sign. I'm gonna trace it, trim it, and glue it with Mod Podge. I'm adding this piece in the bottom, so to cover all parts of this sign. Also, this box, I'm gonna cover it with all the scrapbook paper, the light blue too. Gonna cover it all around. I have been adding this floral foam to put my flowers. Another rule for this challenge is to choose flower for this month. Mine is dogwood. I got it from Dollar Tree. I put them in this box. I have been adding this 3D stickers spring I got from Dollar Tree, and these clear glass gems to add little sparkle to our decoration and brighten up my design. And this beautiful ribbons, beautiful color that match my project. I have been cutting 4 14-inch stripes and other 4 12-inch stripes to make 8 loops. I am putting each loop on top on each other. Then I make a small pitch in the middle to attach them with this chenille stem, and a fluff to make more volume. This tail for the bow, the 3D sticker in the middle, another small bow on the top of the box, and I attach all of them. My last touch for this sign, I'm adding all around the sign this white thin ribbon with light blue circles. Et voila, it's cute project for spring especially with these colors. This project was so much fun to create. I hope you have fun too. If you like it, don't forget to click the thumbs up button below and tell me what do you think. Let's jump into the second DIY. Just stay tuned to the end. For this DIY, I have been creating a small room using this small desk and this clipboard from Dollar Tree and this bank or shadow box and this inspired sign that I got from Dollar Tree too, these 3D stickers and this tiny jar from Dollar Tree, this beautiful ribbon for Michaels with green blue color that match the challenge for this collaboration. What month is it? I'm gonna start painting this saving bank white all around, and then I'm gonna put tape to avoid the paint go over the glass. I'm painting my desk with white chalk paint. Then I'm changing my mind for this white color to this saving bank. I want to make a roof for this house with these sticks, natural color. Then with this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, match the color of the roof. Stick it all around this. Then with this nail polish remover, I remove this writing from the glass. With this hot gun, I'm removing this sticker. Then I want to cover the top of my desk with this scrapbook paper, green blue color. Adding a ribbon all around my desk. Glue it with hot gun. Using or adding this 3D clock and hanging a picture on the wall behind my desk. I'm using this inspire sign because usually we get inspiration in our craft room. So anyway, I painted with white chalk paint, some glitter. I'm adding some glitter and this blue marker all around to make or to give a dimension to this sign. Adding this paper in the background. I'm making a bow with this beautiful ribbon. And fluff it to make more volume with this bow. And almost done now. Glue everything all together. I'm putting this dogwood flower inside this tiny jar to add it on my desk. Let's see now, very cute, this small room that I made today. I hope you like it and get inspired with this project. I hope you enjoyed watching my DIYs. So don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video and you will not miss any of my project. Also share my video. Now I want to say take care, see you soon and bye.